Over here.
The froggies eat a kitty food. I know.
They're so big. Oh, that's nasty. Kicker, what is it?
What is it, Kicker?
They look like they're gonna blow up.
I know, they do look like they're gonna blow up. Oh, man. Can you imagine stepping on one of those?
Stepping kitty food?
With bare feet. Where you going, Kiker?
They're going.
Oh, close the door. Kiki's gonna come.
Oh, one froggy just hopped.
He hopped away. Good morning, guys, and welcome to today's video. Today is somebody's birthday and Mom and Dad's anniversary, which I didn't think of this morning. I wonder if Mom even knows.
She thought of it late last night, actually.
I feel like she always forgets.
She should remember this.
So now I feel bad that I didn't wish her a happy anniversary this morning. Sorry, Mom. I am having my coffee and drinking. Oh, having my coffee and drinking my videos. That's what I was about to say.
Cut.
Clearly too early to be starting the vlog
Start this in the
at
afternoon.
9 in the morning. I'm editing and drinking my coffee. That's what I tried to say. Here she comes. You want some of Jaden's cereal? Jaden didn't really eat much of his cereal, huh? Here, you want some? No, not my toe. Ow! Ow! That hurts. No, bite my dirty feet.
See if it stink.
Here, just give her the cereal. She tried to bite my toe, but she attacked the spoon instead.
Oh my god.
Delicious. She just wants to bite somebody. Careful. She got sharp teethers. She got sharp ones. 7 sharp teeth. Ow! Ouch!
Nothing even happened because my hand was just right here.
You gotta go like this. Not my feet. Ow! She's
Don't eat your mom.
Ow!
Give her the baby! Give her the
Quick!
Hooray!
Oh, good.
Now don't eat your mom's toe. Again.
Oh,
You know
little
what?
snuggle
You're a
baby.
rough baby, but you're still adorable.
Yeah, right? I know.
Pierce your ear?
Huh?
Did your friend pierce your ear?
No,
Did you go somewhere?
I got it at
If it
Play.
was cheap, then it was fine. But I mean, I'd rather get.
They did it at
tattoos.
Players for I think $20. It was $20 for this stud.
Did you cry?
Just
Did you
get-
cry?
But they said they're
silver
pushing
dub.
the policy through public, so I'm probably gonna have to do it months later. When
Oh, you just did a mom eyeball.
But I'm like, this is stinking 2020. Like, what is
What
it?
does
The
that
50s?
mean? What does that mean? It still doesn't
Guys
mean.
can't. They made 2 guys cut their hair because it was too long, and it wasn't over their ears. It was because they were doing this. Hardly. One of the guys. I'm so angry right now.
So,
So are we. You got your ear pierced,
And it
Joe.
looks
I'm
good.
angry.
Oh
looks
my
good.
Now he
god.
looks
Like
like
a little
the guy-
diamond?
Now-
What color?
Now he looks
No,
like
it was
the
just
guy
this.
we
I was
just
gonna-
saw it. What's his name?
I was gonna
last
do
night.
a cross or a lightning bolt, but
You
they said you
even
had to
know
leave
what
it in for
Egyptians
3
look like?
weeks before you should change it.
He's
want me to
about
hold
to
it, or how do
reinsert
you
it
do
in
it?
his ear.
Is your other earlobe is fat?
Yeah, they're both fat.
Joe, you gotta cry so I have a good thumbnail. Does it hurt, Joe?
I'm shaking.
You're good. You're good. Why? Don't.
Because it's gross.
Can't really, because of the,
Glare?
no, because of the dot, I can't really see where the hole is. Oh, it's open.
Would you prefer piercing or tattoo?
Yeah, tell us.
Because
I could be
Evan's
a-
trying to
I
decide
could be
what's
a
next.
crack-
Yeah,
Hey,
Mom.
those are Kiki.
I could be a
Pirate
crack-
30.
Tattoos.
I have no money.
I could be smoking marijuana out there.
Well,
Earrings are
Can you give her the
gateway to
bottle, Mom?
marijuana,
It is,
and
it
I
is.
could be beating my children.
Oh.
You should.
Okay.
Maybe they wouldn't get piercings.
start with him first.
It's
Hey, why are you coming for me?
Oh!
You owe your brother money.
Oh! Smack the estrogen out of him.
That's the best thing I haven't said in a while.
Like,
Did you cry?
I have to make up
oh.
the Mexican pepper,
Oh, yeah.
but it's not really Mexican. Cut it through,
Did you?
just
Okay.
backwards. So you're gonna go the other way.
It was supposed to be a surprise. I was supposed to come and be like,
I'm not surprised because Andrew told me you had been wanting one.
what a sucker.
You hurt?
No. Do you got it?
I got it.
Okay.
I had to use force. Oh wait, where's his back? Go get a
Let me
cotton
see.
ball.
Wait, look at Kiki.
Yeah, she's so cute.
You have to get a cotton ball and like soak it in this and really get it cleaned good.
Okay, go.
She's already.
What? Let me see. There's so much going on right now.
Whoa! Oh gosh,
Just a 2-year difference between those two.
She's trying to eat, baby. Oh, she's mad.
She's gonna get mad.
Let me look.
Hurry, look.
Oh my goodness, nothing but cheeks.
Brendan's faces.
Wait, we didn't even sing!
Wait, we didn't say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Rachel. Happy birthday to you.
But you sang
She
it.
sang it to herself.
Happy birthday to you!
Can we not have the trinity of spit on our cake?
Try to blow this. Not yet, not yet. Ready?
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Rachel! Happy birthday to you!
Guess what? We gotta do it again.
Right, she's gonna take the first bite of the mocha brownies that I have been ranting and raving about. The recipe will be in the description below. Can you stop singing,
The
please?
matcha.
Oh,
How does it taste?
what's the verdict?
What
They're
flavor
good.
do you taste running across lots of coffee, lots of chocolate.
Superb.
Very, very good.
She's tired.
And Amber, what do you have to say about that cookie there?
Yummy.
I should have said that. That is the only review?
So profound. Immaculate.
Yummy.
Sorry, Jay, don't want your face. I might just take it off.
She's like, how is he even making that noise with his mouth? Alright. Let's get you something.
This is child.
A very small
Point a
piece.
knife at her.
Oh my God.
La 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 la, happy birthday.
Yeah, give her some. Let's see how long she stays up. Wow.
Look at that belly belly.
I get this one.
Yeah.
Get some
Belly
icing off
belly.
with a knife.
Chubby
A little steak.
Are you giving my child coffee?
Yes, hurry up and eat.
No, I would never give a child
Quick.
caffeine.
Oh.
Fortunately for her,
Very
she
good,
is an
Kay.
adult.
Yeah,
She is a woman.
Coffee cup.
She's gonna whip you with her
she's so
ponytail.
the coffee grinds.
Ouch! Don't bite my finger.
All right,
gonna whip
who
you with the
wants this?
ponytail.
Can I have
I know they say you should never put your fingers in baby's mouth, but Evan, you gotta put your finger in her mouth.
wow.
When she bites.
You gotta wash your hand first.
When she
All right,
bites.
come on. What do you want?
Hey.
Yes, you are. We dare you. Wash your
I
hand.
dare you.
Are they good?
Okay, but can I have this one?
Good.
They are really good.
I want the recipe.
Oh,
I dare
Pinterest. It's on my
Yummy
Pinterest, the
gummy
sweets folder.
finger. Sweet potato.
Amber's dead.
Oh no!
The coffee.
I knew the coffee was
I want the rest
toxic.
of her brownie. Oh, what the heck was that?
She's like, what's the back for?
Whoa!
Want some?
Oh.
Catches her eye as she leans in for the, what is this, coffee. She takes a lick
She's on a coffee
Can
high.
you put me in the high chair so I can eat more?
You gotta stick the finger in the mouth.
Leave it, let her bite.
Leave it in there,
Leave
Evan.
it in the
I'm not pulling it
mouth.
out. She's pulling her head away.
Yes, she's
She's like, why are you
she was sucking my fingers right off.
Coffee?
You're sticking that big fat finger in my mouth for? So
She sucks with a little
Did she
tongue.
bite you?
No, she did.
Amber, tell him where we're going. Tell him where we're going. For what?
Fun. Splash pad?
Splash pad. We're going.
Splash pad.
Let's go. Raining outside, so we have to wait it out.
to see the water park or the play pad, splash pad.
Pee pad.
The pee pad. See the pee pad?
The pee pad.
Wait, why can't the kids
And the pee pad says no diving. That's very interesting. No diving in the splash pad, everybody. Kiker, what are you doing?
No, Mom, it's really deep.
Watch. What's oh
Oh gosh.
oh oh
Her hair. She puts her finger in there. What do you think,
It's
Jaden?
not gonna work.
I know, we're waiting just a couple minutes and then this little storm cloud will blow over.
How do it blow?
It goes.
It just moves. The wind pushes it away.
The wind pushing it?
Yes.
And then it goes. Oh look! It got the rain. Got her wet.
Her hair blowing in the AC, it's funny.
And the rain.
It's getting so light and it has a reddish tint to it. Oh,
are you doing?
she's turning on some tunes.
Mommy.
Get the. Uh-huh.
The sun's setting. Rain. Get away from me. I don't want it to come.
That's what the sun says?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It says clouds. Get away.
Kiker's hair. Look at her hair.
Blowing in the wind.
Her luscious locks.
Hey, what are you doing with the radio there, sister girl? Let me turn it off.
What are you doing?
Oh, look at the hair. It's a storm.
Her toupee.
Hurricane. Yeah, tell mommy.
Go, the rain finally slowed down. Oh, there goes Kiki. Go, Jaden, go ahead, run in there.
Put her down. Is she allowed to get wet? You gotta be careful with her because I don't want her slipping.
No, I gotta put her in a little bathing suit real quick. The rain came
Do I just
back.
put her down and let her? Will she
She's
fall
so
over?
cute. Where's Jaden? You don't want to go play? Baby!
Okay, your bag. Look.
Yeah, I know. Frickin' radar was alive.
She's liking it. Will she fall over if I put her down?
Walk around, walk and see if it's slippery. Maybe she won't run. Maybe she'll just walk.
You can put her down, let her see what she does.
Look, she don't care. Can I hold this?
She don't care about the rain. Wait, you forgot your sunglasses.
What's mine?
Uh-oh.
Wait, here,
She's going right for the sprayer. Well, my kids don't seem to be a fan of it. He's gonna try again. He says the water hurts his owie.
We tell jokes, I do tricks with my fellow candlestick, and it's all in